When I first came to Yellowstone, I'll never forget, I came over the Beartooth Pass and this panorama just opened up. And I remember my wife was with me at the time, and I took one look out and I just kind of looked out and I said, I'm never leaving this place. And that was back in 1985. And having one of the first underwater robots that could collect samples and take images for science, I was given a contract by NOAA to do work in Yellowstone Lake. I was a one-man show, and I was able to design equipment that really served the needs of the scientists and to depths that they weren't going to be able to do with standard diving techniques. I loved being on the lake, and I loved seeing what was down there, and even using very low-resolution cameras, the images were really just stunning. But I realized that the next 30 years is probably not going to be all me. So when I started the foundation, I made a commitment to build a team of young engineers who were passionate about this, as passionate as I was when I first started. And in the last year, the foundation has grown significantly. We have mechanical engineers, we have electrical engineers, we have software engineers, we have video engineers. Some of these young people are just phenomenal. And I am absolutely confident that they not only have the talent, but they have the drive, the ambition. And I was convinced that the next generation could take this way beyond what I started. I feel I'm in a position to achieve the goal of creating a capability in Yellowstone that will be second to none for quite a long time to come. And it's Yellowstone. It's the first national park. It's the crown jewel of national parks in this country. And it is our obligation to understand it, because the only way to protect it is to understand it. And this is a mission of the foundation. It's a mission of Yellowstone National Park, helping people to understand why these environments are important. So what we're asking for here is $100,000 to help create this robot, because in the end, the public is what benefits. And we have a donor who is willing to match dollar for dollar up to $100,000 to start with. And this is the kind of money we need to build this robot and put it on Yellowstone Lake and make it something that will serve the purpose of protecting the park for future generations.